Thanks to the creation of the fillers, cats have become even more funnier. Maybe the reason why cats are so scared of water is because water is the only thing they can't hold with their powerful paws. Having a cat will make you constantly bounce if the floor is made of lava. Cats' mission in life is to find out if they can squeeze themselves in every random object. This cat just can't accept the fact that there's some random guy who can copy every move of his.
Get off of me! Get off of me!
Raising both a dog and a cat at once, and every day we'll have to have a battle for you to watch.
Ow, Royce, you got me!
I need more food to make up for the emotional damage when taking a bath.
Alright. I'm gonna see if Bruce likes cottage cheese. Want somebody?
Are you done being rude?
Gel serbest gel. Gel.
See what this is? It's a thumb. You sadly don't have one, but that's okay. You do know what you do have? A paw.
I don't know what you're doing, human, but just keep going. Cat has to make the challenge of trying to catch their tail harder by sitting there. Trying to steal in broad daylight? These little robbers are getting so much bolder.
Мелисса, ну прекрати! Мелисса!
Although cats can't make money, they know how to keep it. The helplessness we all feel when watching a disaster about to happen and can't stop it. This must be a sign for Cat to take a bath from time to time. When you realise that water turns out to be not as bad as you thought. This cat knows how to keep himself clean with using tissue after going number 2. No one could invade Cat's privacy.
Посмотри, как классно. Вот, смотри. На-на-на. На-на-на. На-на-на.
This box has enough space to squeeze even 2 more cats for sure. These cats deserve a clap. They're fixing stuff, and soon they may even build a house for their parents. So thoughtful. And then the cats at home are like... Singing Willow by Taylor Swift. Wherever you stray, I'll follow. One of a few times when cats can't turn into liquid.
Oğlum gidiyoruz. Koş 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 koş. Koş koş. Gel. Gel oğlum. Hadi gezmeye gidiyoruz. Hadi çocuğum.
This toy will sure help Cat keep more active. Anyone know where to buy it? It was so close, but don't worry, Cat. You can always try harder next time. When your cat turned out to be much more famous than you thought. We can all tell that this cat wants to be an aerial artist.